Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Miguel. Now, DeepSeek V4 Flash has been out for the last week or so and is the closest thing that you can get to free frontier AI. Let me break it down for you. Now, this model should really not be named V4 Flash because it's on a whole nother level compared to its predecessors. Right here, you have a chart that shows you how much it really costs to run frontier models. So in the case of Fable 5, which is the most expensive model out there, you are paying for 1 million tokens is going to cost you $10 in and $50 out. Now, Sol from OpenAI, GPT 5.6 Sol, is going to cost you 30 out and 5 in. DeepSeek is all the way here at the bottom. It's going to cost you 9 cents in, 18 cents out. This is a 78x difference in terms of pricing between Fable 5 and DeepSeek V4 Flash. Now, of course, you are not going to be getting the same level of performance, but are you really giving up that much? Here are two benchmarks that were run from DeepSeek, and the difference between Opus 4.8, which is another frontier model, and DeepSeek V4 Flash, well, it's literally less than 5%. Now, you do have to take this with a grain of salt because these are benchmarks that were run by DeepSeek, so the company itself. And on top of that, because this actually performs on benchmarks, doesn't really mean that it's going to perform in business. Now, that's why I'm going to show you the things that I've been building out with it and why I really consider that this is the closest that it gets to free AI. Now, as a heavy user, I am paying between $3 to $4 a day, and this is building systems for myself, for my clients, running 20 automations each and every single day, parasite systems to keep track of everything happening in AI, keeping track of all of the systems for my clients with reports each and every single day. This means that I am getting this for about $90 a month, which is nothing. Now, the way that you can use DeepSeek is as follows. I highly recommend that you actually use it through the OpenRouter provider. Now, OpenRouter is a service that allows you to have a single API key that will give you access to all of the frontier models out there. They use the same pricing as the providers. The way that they make money is they simply charge you, I believe it's about 5% extra whenever you actually purchase credits to use any model out there. Now, once you have your API key, you can use DeepSeek in many different agents. There's two that I highly recommend according to your level of expertise. Now, there's Pi agents. Pi agents are more tailored towards the more advanced users, people who are really just at ease with using a terminal. It's also a very small harness to run, but what I actually recommend for beginners or people who are just starting out with AI is Hermes. Hermes is an open source agent. That means that everyone has access to the code. You can bring your own key if you want to use it. So there's absolutely no problem with getting an API key from OpenRouter, putting it inside of Hermes, and then literally having a free AI assistant. If you're someone who is beginning to use AI, just like really just starting, this is going to cost you about $1 a day. Literally just $10 more than ChatGPT. Why do I recommend Hermes? Is because it's super easy to set up. It comes pre-built with so many skills, and also right now they are working on a desktop application that works fantastic. So this starts to give you a hint on how I'm actually using Hermes. It literally has become my personal nutrition coach. So I am tracking all of my macros thanks to Hermes, literally just sending it pictures of what I actually eat. And each and every single day, it gives me the breakdown of how my weight loss is going on. Now, of course, there are other things that I'm going to show you throughout the video. Now, once you actually have your setup, the only thing that you have to do is you have to make V4 the brain. I do recommend you use this on the high level of reasoning. DeepSeek has different levels, so the level of reasoning is low, medium, and high. The difference that you're going to pay between those three is really peanuts. Now, however, there is one key takeaway and one single problem with DeepSeek V4 Flash, and that's the fact that it's a model that only understands text. Now, if you're using models like Claude, Grok, GPT as well, you will notice that they can actually see images. They understand what's inside of an image. DeepSeek V4 Flash doesn't have that capacity, but you can actually get around with it. Now, the way that it works is you actually do give it access to the capacity of seeing by using another model. And that's exactly also why OpenRouter is fantastic. Because if you actually use the Gemini models, for example, for the vision of your DeepSeek V4 Flash, you are going to still pay peanuts. I literally just analyzed about 500 videos yesterday, and I paid $4 of usage, as you can see right here. So this is my heavy usage, 372 for the first day where I set up literally everything, 319 from yesterday, and today, $2.06. Now, of course, it's still not the best model for a few use cases. In this case, everything that's related to user interface, of course, it's very good compared to what we used to have probably about a year ago, even like 6 months ago. This is something that I built out with DeepSeek V4 Flash. It cost me literally 28 cents to produce a 100% 3D representation of the entire solar system. You can now build games for pennies, and this just opens up so many possibilities. I don't recommend it for UI. The thing that I actually recommend it for mainly is going to be business and operations. So in terms of being able to run automations and long-running tasks, this model is a no-brainer. And by no-brainer, I mean you do have to use it as one of your main drivers. It is absolutely fantastic. I have managed to create reports. I have managed to handle automations and improve them. Automations that were built using Opus 5 were actually improved by DeepSeek, which is just absolutely amazing. So if you're someone who is looking to just start off with one of the use cases, lead research, creating huge reports, analyzing a lot of data, use DeepSeek V4 Flash. Do not use it for anything that's front-end related. And last but not least, of course, I highly recommend you actually use it through Hermes Agent, because this Hermes Agent is what is actually going to be able to just help you out with literally all of your automation jobs. So you will be able to, as you can see right here on the left, create automations on the spot that will just cost pennies for you. You will be able to control it via Telegram if you're ever on the run. WhatsApp as well is supported. Or, for example, right now, I actually set this up in another computer that's running inside of my house, and I can actually literally just control it from this computer. It's so flexible, and it's one of the best experiences that I've ever had by using AI. Now, if you're interested in being able to set this type of agent up and running, just leave a comment down below and let me know. Now, this is everything that I had for you today. Really do have a look right now at DeepSeek V4 Flash, because this is absolutely unprecedented in terms of value that you get for these models. If you're someone starting out, this is going to cost you literally $20 to $30 a month. I'm not even kidding. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for my daily videos. See you.